Hola. Not paying attention. Arrived at Zanice beach, and Cookie is looking for a spot to pee. We have Cuba Libre restaurant, of course. The wifey's already looking at the menu.
They have Cuban. I don't even know what Cuban dishes are.
I think it's just a name. Maybe they have the mojito. Taste test our drinks. Because we're in Cuba. Oh, really? Cafe Cuba.
And a margarita. Jubilee.
Salud. Close your eyes. You can pretend you're in Cuba. We're getting prepped for some water action.
I'm getting prepped for some water. That's what I got from Mexico. Really good for.
Looks very unsecure for the record.
It's not insecure. I fixed it.
Looks like a Ziploc bag. Anyway,
It is a Ziploc
we're gonna
bag.
try some paddle, those things. I'm gonna try. I just cut her off totally, and see what happens. See if somebody has balance or not. Of course, we just had a heavy-duty lunch, kebabs.
And then I had ice cream.
2 liquidy. All right. Are we gonna stand up yet or not? In she goes. You good? Like it. I'm not gonna film myself going under, but Video evidence. Ándale, pendeja. Come on. Yeah. I'm gonna just hit here and witness. Check it out. Okay. We're on the paddle, shaking like a fucking leaf. Do not push me. What did I say? Don't push me. You fucking push me. Like a fucking beached whale. Oh my god. She wants to get away from people. This is gonna be epic. Epic fail. Fall. Woof. Fall. You better go on your knee.